Hi there, I'm Mr. Putnam.
I'm Mrs. Gehrke.
And today we're going to show you how to properly cross the sidewalk so you're safe at Franklin. Here we go.
Hi, right now I'm at the corner of our mural and our marquee, and I'm going to show you the proper and safe way to cross the street. A few important things to understand about crossing the sidewalk are, you want to stay on the crosswalk area. Those are straight. You do not want to cut at an angle, run, or dart across in front of traffic. Always look for a trusted adult or the safety patrol that is stationed here on this corner. They have stop flags and they have stop signs to help you cross safely. Do not run, do not go sideways, and do not dart in front of traffic. You probably want to stop about right here. You want to look to your left and your right. You want to look for a safe, trusted adult or a patrol that would be on this corner. Then you're going to cross slowly. You don't want to run, especially in the wintertime, because there could be ice or snow that you might trip on. Right now, there's a car. I'm going to wait for all the cars to pass before I cross, slowly. You might see a car approaching as you're crossing the street. Do not feel the need to run. There is a stop sign telling them to stop and be alert of the children that are crossing the street. Thanks for watching, and go Falcons!